Good morning, everybody. My name is Ajinla. Today, I want to talk on an ancient Orisha, an Orisha that deals with people with natural dreadlock. We call that Orisha, Orisha Dada. This Orisha is long forgotten, but the belief, the tradition around this Orisha still lingers in the walls of our ears. Now, people who are born with dreadlock when they are coming from heaven, part of all the goodies, the most important part of the goodies they are bringing, they gave it to Rishalada for safekeeping. Why? Because they knew that the world is a wicked place. So they keep part of what they are bringing, the most important part, they keep it to Rishalada. And they told him that when they reach this earth and they needed those glory, those package, they would always call on him. They would always refer to him. They would always beckon on him to give it to them. And it is a signed agreement. But it is so shameful that most people, everybody who are born with dreadlock, never for once give attribute, recognize this Orisha. I said, the belief about Orisha that still lingers within the walls of our ears and mind. In some churches, once you give back to a son with dreadlock, you will be advised not to cut the hair for some years. Even today, if you go to some churches, the prophets and prophetess that were there were people with dreadlock. That is because people with dreadlock are immersed in power. Their power is in layers. At a certain age, you attain some power. At a certain age, you attain some power. At a certain age, you attain some power. Now, let me bust your bubbles. The story of Ojadada was stolen from Yoruba religion and put inside the Bible as the story of Samson. They cut his dreadlock and they cut the lock of his hair, and then he lost all his powers. Well, it is not as it is, but the concept of Orishalada was stolen and input in the Bible and was put in the Bible. I'm still going to talk on more on Orishalada, but for now, this is what I have to say. And if you are born with dreadlock, kindly find a way to free this Orisha, because people who are born with dreadlock can never be harmed by any power, can never be harmed by any force. If you have if you cut away your dreadlock or you stay in your head, you are a Dada. The power of Dada is in you, and that Orisha is always with you. My name is Agenda.